welcome to a windswept allotment. We're down at the old allotment at the moment because we're going to be clearing some stuff ready to be taken down in the car later on. So I'll give you an idea of what we're going to be doing here. Basically, yeah, the wind's really powerful down here. I don't know if the mic's picking it up. Yeah, I'm pretty sheltered because of all these trees. But as I say, we're slowly getting this place sort of ripped apart and stuff took down. It would be a lot easier if it wasn't for these high winds. But we'll see how it goes. And I'll give you a quick run what we're going to do, and then see what else I can video later. So see you in a minute. So see these plants around the pond? We're going to look at lifting them, put them in pots. Got a big bag there, and we'll go in the car later when Paddy comes up. So that's one thing we're going to do. Behind us there's some strawberries in the bed. I'm going to pick another few of them. And I think tools in there to go in the car. Basically that's going to be it. So we'll see how things go. Right, I hope you can hear us over this wind. We've lifted them plants. They're in there. Strawberry plants there. This is stuff that we're sorting to take down with we. We've lifted the black stuff from down here. That's in that bag. Some more tools ready to be taken down. Boxes ready to be taken down. We're busy sorting out what timber we want to keep, and unfortunately when the wife came down the other day and took stuff, she took my cable ties. And we're going to cable tie all this wood together, but that's going to have to be on another job. And get all the blue stuff cable tied. So we're getting there, unpacking this allotment up. You know, we're getting most of the stuff out the greenhouses. They're knackered, so we're not taking them. This is stuff that we're leaving. And the stuff in this one, I have to keep it locked because of the wind. Stuff we're taking. So the tools over there are these bags and that. So sorry about the thing, I'm kind of get that locked when it's so supposed I'll have to lean against it. So yeah, it's been a nice allotment, but very hard to look after. And as I say, if we hadn't been getting another allotment, this wouldn't have been overgrown like this. Wouldn't have let it go. Would have been clearing it. But if we're getting another allotment, we're just leaving it. So because nature will just take its course as usual. So I don't know if we're going to get down to the we're going to get down to the allotment, because the wife's come with Paddy in the car to load stuff up, and by the time to do that it might be a bit too late for me to go down. But I will be down the new allotment probably Thursday, so I'll tag this onto the back of this one. So see you soon. Hi, that's me back home from the allotment. Baby carrots all washed and just waiting to let them dry out a bit, and then bag up and freeze some and put some in the fridge ready for making it for dinners and stuff. So that's a canny haul we got from today. So catch you again soon. Hi everybody, and welcome back down to our other allotment. The other day you've seen when we took the strawberry plants out. They're in there. I'm going to get them out soon because they're going in here. Four to finish this off, and then that's that done. So that's one thing I'll be doing. See if there's anybody coming down. That'll be with strawberry plants in there. I've then got them other plants I took from around the pond. What we plan is for them, we're coming up here, all this will be gone soon, is I need to turn this bed over, and I'll put them in there for now. This bed's been turned over and it's got bulbs in for the spring, so I'll turn them over and I'll put them in there. So when I get these jobs done, I'll come back and show you. So okay, that bed I done, I dug over yesterday. That's what we've put in. Curry plants and agasashi. I think that's what Rob says it was called. Them two plants at the front, supposed to be part of the herb plant. The middle one's a curry plant. Can't remember what the last two were, but the ones at the front are agasashi or something like that. And so we've got that. We'll put some plastic over this thingy so the rain keeps it dry for burning. And what we're going to do now up the top, we're going to put the metal bed we had down at the allotment. We're going to put that together and put that up there. So I'll show you that once it's done. So back soon. Okay, we've put this in and covered it with cardboard. Doesn't need more soil to fill it up. So that's all we can do for now, because the weather looks as though it's going to change. We'll have that bed and that bed to sort out. That's the rhubarb in the corner. There's the strawberries in. These beds are covered. All that's piled up. The shed's been tidied up. Polytunnel's been tidied up. And I'll come down here. That's for onions. That's the pile for the rubbish. This is where we're sitting all sorted out, and this is what we've done as well. So haven't done too bad today. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon. So happy Halloween and happy bonfire night. Don't know when this is coming out. It's probably over and done with by it does, but I'm saying that because it's Halloween when I'm doing this video. So bye for now.